Hi everybody, here's a quick look round the train room. Opening up the fire door into my workshop area. And then up the stairs. That's us into the train room. As you can see, I've been working on the framework for the lower level. I've got all the 28 legs fitted in position now. They're all standing at 1100 millimetres high. My next job is to drill the access holes for the cables and fit the cable clips.